All right, we are here to talk about the price action on VeChain. That is VET. And I do believe we are going to be finding some new highs across the crypto market and VET in particular here in the next few weeks. I've got some evidence to support that theory, and I'm going to present it right now. To start off with, I'm going to go to one of my favorite tools that I use every day in the crypto world. It is tradingview.com, and I'm going to look at its technical analysis for VET. Starting on the 1 day, we're seeing a summary buy indicator. Oscillators are neutral, while moving averages are a strong buy. On the 1 week, also a buy. Oscillators are the same, as well as the moving averages. And the 1 month, oddly enough, well, it moved a little bit. We've got a buy on the summary. Oscillators are a buy. Moving averages, a strong buy. Now that falls right in line with what I'm hearing on the streets from people smarter than me and what I'm seeing in the price on crypto. That is, I think we're going to be looking at new highs here on VET soon. Here's why. After this fantastic run up we had in October, starting in October, where VET was around 0.015, we have since doubled that. We are comfortably above the 0.03, and that was the double. And we're aiming for this 2.5 and 3 time up around this 0.045. We're going to have to be a little patient there, but I do believe it's coming in the not too long future. But what we have seen in VET after this fantastic run up, here, is we've seen things get a little slow toward the end of December, which is normal. I could show you some evidence on Bitcoin that would show in 2021 and 2022, toward the last week of December and the first week of January, things were slow. And that's what we're seeing in VET. Now, a good point about VET is it has behaved differently than some other coins. A lot of coins made their high around the 13th, 14th, really the second week of December, anywhere from about the 8th to the 15th. And VET made its December high right here on the 13th, what we thought was the December high. But on the 18th, it broke it and has torn up going higher and has not revisited that level yet. If you are a VET holder, you are blessed because other coins have not done that. Let's look at Bitcoin. Here is its December high on the 8th of December. It has not broken its high. Ethereum, here's its December high on the 9th of December. It finally broke its high a few days ago, but has yet to hold it, although that is a great looking bar on the daily. I'll have to look at that in a minute. ADA, here is its December high. It has not broken its December high yet. Doge, its December high on the 11th, still falling, right? So it has not broken its December high. VET did break its early December high right here and right here on the 13th and took off starting on the 18th and has gone even higher. You'll notice something. I have this range for VET marked. It's 0.033 up to 0.035. That is a very critical area. You can see it's a critical area. I'm about to call out why. Wick, 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 wick. What does that mean? That means that as prices fallen into this area, buyers have seen that as a discount and they have bought VET. Whether that's people buying, algorithms buying, it doesn't matter. We see that pattern, which means this is a very critical area for VET right now. It's not only a critical area now, I think if I took this out and I expanded that 0.035, it's the high right here of this weekly bar on the August of 2022. And it also contains the wicks of these highs in May of 2022. It contains the bottom of this wick right here in February of 21 is the top of this wick right here in January of 21. Here's my point. This level is critical right here, not only today, but it has been critical historically across the VET coin, and that's why it keeps getting bought up right here. Once price broke what was resistance right here, That level has turned into support and has been holding since for about 2 weeks in December and still is holding. I think we're going to have to wait another week or two before we see our big move out of crypto start again. Like I said, in Bitcoin, you can see that historically. Let me just show it to you. I'm going to go to Bitcoin 2021. Look, in 2021, we ranged toward the end of December, actually all of December. This is the 4th of December to the 5th of January. We were in a range, and on the 5th of January, we broke out and crypto started moving. To Bitcoin 2022, a range. On the 8th of January, we broke out, crypto started moving. So we ranged for a while. On the 8th of January, off it went. That's exactly what we're seeing on Bitcoin right now, which is why I think we're going to have to wait a week or two still before we see a big run in crypto. Here's the daily on Bitcoin. It's coiling and getting ready to break. Once Bitcoin breaks, and we may not even have to wait that long. Why? Because VET has been a leading coin this move the last 2 months. It has, as I've already told you, broken its December high, so it's a leader. VET may lead us and go ahead and start challenging this 0.038 again and go ahead and break before Bitcoin does. That would be very nice. But either way, I think the bigger moves are going to come the first and second week of January. And for VET, I think that move is going to be up. There's 3 reasons I think the move is going to be up. One, technical analysis is showing us going up as a buy indicator. 2, everything I'm hearing from people that are smarter than me say 2024 should be a fantastic year in crypto. And we're seeing that by this end of year run up. 3, the third reason is price, after making these big moves, is resting toward the highs of these moves. It's not resting in the middle and it's not resting at the bottom. It's still got momentum. I think right now, in the last couple of weeks of December, we're simply building a base, preparing for the next move up. That's why price is resting here, and it wouldn't surprise me to start seeing us challenge that 0.038 here in the next week or two. I am a big fan of VET. I hold VET personally. I'm waiting for a big move on VET. I think the big move is coming. I do think we'll be challenging this 0.045 for much longer. I think we may look back in January or December of 2024 and say, wow, if we could have gotten in crypto or VET specifically in December, that would have been a great move, because I think we're looking for new highs coming up. All my personal opinion. I'm in this for the long term, so I'm a holder. Whether it goes up or down, I'm still holding. I do trade on the short term some, but overall, I'm a long term holder in crypto. Plan accordingly. Be safe out there. But my personal opinion, which is not financial advice, simply a personal opinion, we've got new highs coming in VET before much too longer. Watch the 1st of January. I think we're going to have some fun. Y'all take care out there.